Welcome back. 12:27 now. Alerting police about a school emergency is easier with the new wearable panic button for staff in the Tucson Unified School District. News 4 Tucson, Jafet Serrato got to check it out firsthand and shows us what it does. He is live at TUSD headquarters. Jafet.
Robbie, this panic button is worn as a lanyard, and the TUSD safety director says all of its employees have one. This is what the wearable button looks like. It's called the Syntegix Alert Badge. With several pushes of a button, it can alert police about where a critical incident is on campus and who is requesting help. TUSD says teachers and staff have already been using this badge since the beginning of this school year. The Pima County Sheriff's Department is partnering with TUSD on this system, and today PCSD conducted a test at its 911 center. Sheriff Chris Nanos got a chance to look at it himself.
It's pretty cool. For me, I go back to, 2022 when we first started talking to you all about the need for collaborating with our school boards and our school principals and teachers, not just in our active shooter drills and training, but in finding a way to keep our kids safe.
TUSD says it has a 5-year contract with the company that operates this badge system. It costs roughly $1 million every year, and TUSD says the system is getting paid by the district's maintenance and operation funding. Tucson Police and other law enforcement agencies have also partnered with TUSD for this system. TUSD says this system has already been used by schools such as medical emergencies. Live near downtown, Jafet Serrato, News 4 Tucson.